Hi guys, this is Dr. Ruff here. I oftentimes get asked, what is that popping sound that you hear when you get adjusted? And many people have conjured up ideas in their head that it's their body imploding to bone shattering to extreme bizarre things that perhaps you may see in sensational TV. Well, that is not the case. Have you ever tried popping your knuckles as a child? They make a noise. Anytime a fluid-filled joint in the body is stretched, it releases air and gases, and that makes a popping noise. Now, that gas will build up in a joint every 25 to 30 minutes, and you could do it again and drive your mother crazy. In fact, mothers don't like that. However, in chiropractic, when we're moving the bone to put it back in proper alignment, you will hear that popping sound because a joint is being stretched, it's releasing air and gases, and that's very relaxing and soothing to the body. So there you have it.